for a bit of cleaning up the old ute, try and get that Kalumburu dirt off. We'll start with the wheel arches. Taking the wheel off, in case that wasn't obvious. And all the red mud under here is what's been left over from Kalumburu Road. And we've got an alkaline degreaser from a mate that works Auto Smart. This is all I've got left, so it works really well. Okay, so this has been undone. Maybe I need to get a GoFundMe page to buy a tripod, or just buy one. And you can see that's all still red dirt from Kalumburu Road, and Gibb River Road. Alright, let's get in and do a bit of scrubbing. Makes a difference straight up. Still cleaning, but there's some mud in there. Not finished, but you can see that comes up pretty well. And there's a stainless steel pipe, so got a bit more work to do. Stopping for tonight, had a beautiful call with the granddaughter, so that kind of took priority over finishing this. There'll be a part 2, see how we go. Okay, day 2, had a look around this morning and figured out I'll be taking off the underbody protection so I can get in and clean up everything from the red dust gathering. Here we are, underneath, underbody's off, and we'll try and get under. Now what I did find is that little problem that I can't see from outside with the underbody protection on. So that's going to get fixed next week. But in the interim, we've got a lot of cleaning where everything is still red dirty, and we'll give everything a new coat of chassis paint and go see how all that fits in. Oh god, bit of glare, but here we go, looking a bit tidier. And now just put everything back together and do the other side. The bull bar's all done, looks very nice. Everything's back together, cleaner, nicer. We stand a few more bumps. Ready to go out into the dirt again and have some fun.